Welcome back to another video. Today we have the M12 fuel. This is the 3/8 stubby impact wrench 2554-20. Don't forget to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out. Big shout out to my brother. This is actually his tool. This is already open. I've used it, or actually he's used it once, but it's pretty much completely brand new. Like I said, he only used it once. It says fits all M12 batteries. It says tool only, battery and charger sold separately. We got the specifications. We got anvil type 3/8 square with friction ring, fastening torque. We got 250 pounds. Nut busting torque 250 pounds. Drive control 4 mode with auto shut off mode. We got RPM 1200, and then 1800, and then 2700, and then 1500, and then 2700. So basically, so it just depends on the mode you're gonna have. We got IPM 1100, 2100, and 3200. Then we got length 4.8 inches, and then we got weight 2.1 pounds. Guys, we'll see how it will look. So pretty much you'll get it like this, and you get, like I said, we got some instructions and we got some literature there, and we'll put the pretty much you got some rubber. It's a really nice rubber grip. You got a battery indicator there. You got a nice belt clip there, so you could use it on your belt clip. You got a rubber stop there. Obviously it's going to be resting on the belt clip, but on this side it's going to be resting on this rubber stop. As you guys see, pretty solid. That's one thing I like about Milwaukee tools, that they have a nice rubber stop. You got a nice grip. The handle's a little thick. Tell you guys the truth, the handle's a little thick because it has the battery in there. It's normal. It's got a really nice trigger, and this is a really nice it's very smooth actually. Selector there. We got some venting holes there. Got a nice big fan. So you got fuel brushless on the back. On this side you got says number 2554-20, 12 volts, and 0 to 27 per minute RPM. Got a serial number there, says 3/8 friction ring impact wrench, professionally made in Mexico by Milwaukee tool. Alright, so this is made in Mexico. That's one thing I didn't know, that Milwaukee made tools in Mexico. You got a nice LED light there. You got some nice metal housing there, and you got some warning signs there. You do got the speed control here on the top. You got 1, 2, and 3, and then maybe auto mode, so it doesn't alright, let's put a battery in here. Let's check the fitment. So we got a battery here. We got a 3 amp hour battery. So after you put the battery in there, it's actually a pretty big tool. Not pretty big, but the battery's kind of bulky. You got a lot of air movement out of these little holes here. Got a nice LED to check the battery status, how much battery you got left. You got a nice LED work light on the front, very nice. And then you got the brushless. Obviously you got 3, auto mode, and then 1. So we'll just leave it at 3 for now, and then we'll go from there. Do have M12 on the top there. So anyways, we're gonna take this outside. We're gonna test it out. Let's see if this fuel can remove the suspension component, and because it's rusted, it's been there for a long time. Let's see if it can. Turns out that it's turning with the It's so locked in there that it's turning that I have to put a wrench on the bottom. And let's see if it... Yep, it did. So I gotta say, it's a pretty powerful tool. Very powerful.